Full name?
Iris Catherine O'Sullivan.
Born?
6th of May, 1917.
Ah, Tilly, come in. Drink?
That'll be good. Here's a taking sofa.
Help yourself. Good night.
Oh, it's always a good night when the Navy's in town.
Any trouble?
Stan and the lads are keeping an eye on everything.
And the grog says?
Steady. Enough chit-chat. Back to the cold face.
What's up?
There's a walloper downstairs. Says he wants to see you.
We've already paid our monthly contribution.
He says it's about a young girl.
There are no underage girls working here. Tell him to get lost.
Something to do with O'Sullivan, he says.
Send him in then. And how can I help you?
I'm afraid I have some bad news.
And apart from you, the bad news is?
Frank O'Sullivan's dead.
Oh, pull the other one. I saw the bastard last week.
Well, in the meantime, he's turned up dead.
One less illywacker for you to deal with. Lead poisoning, was it?
Heart attack.
Just as fatal.
He was your husband, wasn't he?
So-called. Once upon a time. Look, what's this got to do with me? I didn't whack the bastard.
There's the little problem of your daughter, if you remember her.
Christ, I forgot about the brat.
Well, she hasn't forgotten about you. And you're all she has left in the world now. If you don't take her in, she'll become a ward of the state.
Well, I don't have much choice then, do I? I'm not letting those bastards get their hands on her.
Very kind of you. I'll drop her off in the morning.
When's the walloper dropping the kid?
Any time now. Christ, what am I going to do with O'Sullivan's brat?
She's your brat too. You're her mother.
Fat lot of good that ever did her.
Well, now her father's dead. She's your responsibility, Eunice.
All right. She can stay here till I find suitable digs for her. But keep a good eye on her and don't let her anywhere near the prozzies.
Will do. I wouldn't be in such a hurry to get rid of her.
Why not? This is no place for a kid, not even mine.
Just between me and you, she knows where O'Sullivan's loot is.
Oh, what loot? What are you talking about?
The proceeds from his bank robberies.
Pull the other one. That no-hoper O'Sullivan was an illywhacker. A flim-flam man. He was no stick-up artist.
That's what the wallopers think too. But it was Frank who pulled those unsolved bank robberies.
Horse shit. And how do you suppose to know all this?
I keep my ear to the ground.
So you're telling me the Brat knows where his money is?
That's right.
Special delivery.
Iris, look at you, my goodness. Give your mother a big hug. Let Tilly take your bag.
No, it's okay. Can I have something to eat?
What would you like?
Anything but vegetables. And can I have a drink? Me dad let me have a beer with me dinner.
Back it up, nice and easy. That's it. Sit down. Keep your hands where I can see them. Now, to business. Where's the kid?
What kid?
O'Sullivan's Brat, who else?
Well, she's safe. I'll be keeping an eye on her.
Right. So you know about the money?
What money?
O'Sullivan's money.
No idea what you're talking about. O'Sullivan would be lucky to have two Zacks to rub together.
Well, in that case, I've said too much, haven't I? Say good day to O'Sullivan for me.
Are they the only clothes you have?
Nah, I couldn't find a bag to put the others in.
Well, they're past history now, Iris. Tomorrow, I'm going to buy you a whole new wardrobe.
Dad really talked about you. But I bet he missed having you around. He wasn't a very good cook. Or anything. But he looked after me okay. He took me out to dinner a lot. I liked that.
Who wouldn't?
And we also have a full range of accessories as well. Oh, good. They'll ring that up at the counter, my dear. Some people harbour prejudices, I'm afraid.
Comes with the territory in my line of business.
I'm sure it does, Mrs. O'Sullivan. I'm sure it does. Now, let's look at some nice things for your...
Daughter.
Of course, your daughter.
I don't like any of these. They're too last century.
Yes, that's because they're for the older woman, dear. We have a whole range of outfits for young ladies, just over there.
I know about the money, Iris. Frank's money. It's our money now, you know. Yours and mine. It's not going to do him any good, is it?
Dad gave me a key. Said it's for a locker at Central Station. Told me which one it is too.
And there you are at 6 months.
That troublemaking bastard, Fergus O'Reilly's back.
He's still banned. He knows that.
Stan's taking care of him. Then he'll escort Iris to the station.
Good. Stan will take good care of you, Iris. Just do what he says, sweetheart. Oh, look. There's one of your father.
Stan's waiting for you in the front parlour, Iris.
I'd say it's payday, wouldn't you, Tilly?
Now you can open that other premises you've been talking about. There's a good spot on Riley Street that's available.
I've had my eye on that one.
Evening, ladies.
Who the devil are you?